A pleasant morning, everyone. This is Varsha, pursuing third year mechanical engineering at Chennai Institute of Technology. I'm very glad to welcome you all to the 5 days AICTE sponsored ATAL online faculty development program on recent advances in automation technology in achieving Industry 4.0, held in January 25 to 29, 2021. The objective of this program is to bring together academicians, research scholars, and students in the area of mechanical engineering and to provide a forum to exchange and share their experience about different aspects of recent advancements in the field of automation and robotics in Industry 4.0. With no delay, I would like to call upon Dr. V. Dinakaran, Professor, Research Coordinator, Mechanical Department, CIT, to share a few words about the event.
Thank you, Varsha. So, very good morning to all. It is our pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of Chennai Institute of Technology. So, primarily, we would like to thank AICT ATAL program for sponsoring 5 days FTP on automation technology in achieving Industry 4.0. Chennai Institute of Technology has been conducting so much webinars during the from the lockdown period in order to enhance the knowledge of faculty members, researchers, and student community under the guidance of our Honorable Chairman, C.P. Sriram. So, it is our pleasure to welcome you all again for this workshop and welcome you all once again.
Thank you very much, sir. I now request Dr. A. Ramesh, Principal, Chennai Institute of Technology, to deliver the inaugural address.
Please turn on audio, sir.
Sir, mute lirukku, sir.
Yes, sorry. Yeah, good morning to all. On behalf of Chennai Institute of Technology and on my own behalf, I extend a very warm welcome to everyone for present for this 5-day ATAL FTP program on recent advances in automobile industries to enhance Industry 4.0. Dear participants, I understand most of the participants are from educational institutions and few are also from industry. Being an educational professional, especially being serving in the teaching profession, it is highly essential that we have to update our knowledge frequently. First, we have to understand the technological development that are taking place in our domain. We have to understand, then only we can able to transfer that particular knowledge to our student community. So attending this type of FDPs will definitely help us to improve our learnings in the latest technologies. Industry 4.0. So everybody is talking about this Industry 4.0 probably from last 1 or 2 years. Many industries have started to implement this Industry 4.0 to improve their productivity. This FDP is going to discuss about how this Industry 4.0 can be implemented in automotive industry to improve their productivity. Dear participants, you know very well the major concern that lies with all automobile industries is mainly how to cut down the manufacturing costs, how to improve the safety aspect of the vehicle what they are producing, especially the passenger car, and also how to improve the efficiency. So these three are the major concern of any automobile industries. So a lot of research is going on these three areas. When it comes to adopting the latest technology, the automotive industry has always remained at the forefront. Many new technologies were first implemented in automotive industry only. If you take right from the Henry Ford's introduction of the assembly line to the latest development of electric car, the automotive industries has seen many remarkable innovations. Already, a part of the Industry 4.0 is being practiced in almost every automobile industries. all automobile industries have been automized. Now for implementing the industry 4.0, only thing is they have to make the proper communication between the different entities that are present in the industry. The entities have to communicate by themselves, they have to take action by themselves, and they have to work accordingly. That is a basic concept behind the industry 4.0. So the implementation of 4.0 will not be that much difficult like in other sectors, but in automobile industry, implementation is not a big problem because already similar technologies are being followed in many automotive industries. As a teaching community, we should learn about all these technologies so that when we transfer this knowledge to our students, they will get benefited. And you know very well, especially in India, the automobile sector is growing year by year. Even after the pandemic situation, the automobile industries have raised back to its original level and they are doing extremely good. And by that way, it has opened a lot of job opportunities for our graduating students. Mainly, the area like electric vehicle, hybrid vehicle, that and all is going to provide a lot of job opportunity to our students. So I request all the participants to listen carefully to the experts who are going to deliver the different lectures in the next 5 days. In fact, at this juncture, I would like to congratulate the mechanical engineering department, especially the coordinator, Dr. Ravi, and the overall coordinator, program coordinator, Professor Vijay Kumar, and research in charge, research head, Dr. Dinagaran, for inviting experts from leading educational institutions and also from industries who are all having very good knowledge in this particular field. Use this opportunity, interact with them, and also Chennai Institute of Technology is housing number of centers of excellence, especially in the field of automation. We have very good center of excellence, and also we have a very good center of excellence in industrial robotics. We have a KUKA robotics center. And apart from that, in the line of industry 4.0, we have a center of excellence in IoT, we have a center of excellence in embedded system, then we have in artificial intelligence, data science. Almost in all industry 4.0 technologies, disruptive technologies, we have center of excellence. I think during this course of 5 days FDP, you will be given enough hands-on training in these centers of excellence also. So this FDP is going to be the right mixture of learning the concepts and also undertaking some practical experience. So I wish this FDP a grand success and also a very great learning experience to all the participants. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for the valuable words. I would like to call upon Dr. S. Ravi, Department of Mechanical Engineering, CIT, to share his views about the program.
Good morning to all. First of all, I would like to thank AICTE Atal Academy for approving this FDP to conduct in our institute. Next, I would like to thank our chairman, P. Sriram, MK Group of Companies chairman, also Chennai Institute of Technology chairman, for providing the facilities to conduct this program in our campus. Also, I thank our respected principal, Dr. A. Ramesh sir, for his continuous support and guidance. Also, I thank our administrative officer, Ramesh sir, and the program coordinator, Mr. Vijay Kumar, and our research head, Dr. Dinagaran, who is providing the support for the fixing of guest responsibility. Through him only, we have fixed the guest from all the reputed institutes like IIT, NITs. Professor, thank you very much for your effort, what you have taken for making this event as a grand success. Also, I welcome other faculty members and participants. Also, I welcome our today's program guest, Dr. Swarna Ravindra Babu sir. In spite of your busy schedule, you have accepted and given the time to inaugurate this session, also deliver the lecture. Really, your presence is really honor for us, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Also, I welcome all the participants, sir. We have received overwhelming responses from across the country. See, we have received the registered participants more than 200. So, I requesting all the participants, you can make use of all the 5 days because the experts we have brought from the all reputed institutions. Already I mentioned IITs, NITs, and IITDM for even industry, not only the academia, even industry person also. We are going to bring in here to deliver the lecture. So another 5 days. This lecture, whatever the lectures, expert will be given, that you can make use of that, you can enrich the knowledge. This program, we have arranged, the purpose of this FDP or aim of the FDP is to enrich the knowledge for the new faculty members and research scholars. So try to make use of this opportunity. Our principal already mentioned what is the objective or aim of this FDP. Let me also tell about that. What is the aim of this Industry 4.0? Yes, we know that Industry 4.0, or one can say fourth industrial revolution, which will it is the current trend of the automations. It includes all the what is that in the cyber physical systems, IoTs, and cloud computing, and all the big data. Everything it is interconnected in order to create a smart factory. So that is what our expert members are going to do the talk on this area. So that try to make use of this opportunity. The main purpose of this FDP is to make the all the participants, their skills are supposed to be enriched. Okay, I welcome all the participants, those who have registered. Thank you very much for your registration. Try to make use of that. I'm sure after completion of this FDP, you are all going to be enriched in the knowledge in the field of Industry 4.0. Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity.